Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about 8085 microprocessor addressing modes. So, the instruction we use like MOVA or MOVB or something like that. Okay. These are to copy data from a source into a destination. So, in this instruction, the source can be a register, an input port, or an 8-bit number like FFS or 00S or something like that number. So similarly, a destination can be a register or an output port. The source and destination are operands. The various formats of specifying operands are called addressing modes. So for 8085 microprocessor, the addressing modes are immediate addressing modes, register addressing modes, direct addressing modes, and indirect addressing modes. So actually, what is immediate addressing modes? So in immediate addressing mode, data is present in the instructions. Load the immediate data to the destination provided. Example like MVI are data. Okay. So next one is register addressing mode. So data is provided through the registers. These are registers is MOV, RD or RS. After next, direct addressing. So used to accept data from outside device to store in the accumulator or send the data stored in the accumulator to outside device. Accept the data from the port 00H and store them into the accumulator or send data from the accumulator to the port 01H. Clear? So these types of data is called addressing mode. After that, next one is indirect addressing mode. So this means that the effective addressing is calculated by the processor and the contents of the address is used to from a second address. The second address is where the data is stored. Clear? Second address is where the data is stored. Note that this requires several memory access. When indirect addressing mode is occurs, there is several addressing memory. To access to receive the accumulator to the outside device, accept data from the port 00 from the port like 00 1 or 00H, okay, 00H, and store them into the accumulator or send the data from the accumulator to the port. Okay. And next one is indirect addressing mode. So that's are discussed in the tutorial. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.